Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Facts with Usama. In the video titled Room Tour 2023, Txunamy, the host, gives an updated tour of her room, highlighting various personal items and decorations. She begins by mentioning a hole in the wall caused by a door and showcases her guitar and two fluffy chairs, emphasizing her comfort in the space. The tour continues with a dresser filled with crocheted items, yarn, and everyday essentials like stickers and hairbrushes. She shares memories of her crochet business and discusses her collection of books and old crochet projects. The bed, which has been with her through multiple moves, is also featured, along with decorative items and a hammock for her dog. The desk area is shown, filled with school supplies and craft materials, and she mentions her LED lights that add ambience to the room. The closet is organized with clothes, jeans, and accessories, while the restroom is briefly described, showcasing personal care items. The video concludes with her thanking viewers and encouraging them to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe.